Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video that I'm doing on a brandless Wi-Fi repeater slash extender review and setup that I got off of eBay for $12. And it's capable of doing Wi-Fi 11B, 11G, and 11N at 300 megabits per second. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have inside. The first thing out is the user's manual for the Wi-Fi repeater. We'll need this in a few minutes for setup and installation. So let's put this aside and see what else is in the packaging. Next item is a LAN cable of RJ45 type, and we'll use that to set this up. And we have a plug here that attaches to the main unit here. It has a very unique shape to it, and I kind of like it. Let's take a close-up look and get this in focus. Okay, there we go. Up top it says Wi-Fi repeater, no brand name. On the right we have 4 Wi-Fi indicators, and we have a WPS button right here. And on the left side we have a socket for an RJ45 cable, and we have a reset button. On the back we have a bunch of information, or not a bunch of information, but it says Wireless-N Repeater, part number, and some other stuff. And basically it's clean all around, and we go ahead and grab this part. Now this pushes in and twists, I believe. Let me figure this out. There we go. And if I turn it, it should snap. Yep, there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this into the wall, and we will get a green power light come on, which indicates that it is ready to be set up. So now let's go over to our computer here and single click on our Wi-Fi icon down in our taskbar here. And when we do, we see our available networks, and we will also see our new wireless Wi-Fi repeater, and it is called Wi-Fi repeater, and it is open. But before we do anything with it, we need to disconnect from our existing network first. And I'm disconnect from PP router here. That's the one I was connected to. And once I do that, I can connect to the Wi-Fi repeater network, and I'm going to do that. And this takes a few seconds, and it'll make a connection. And it comes back and says Wi-Fi repeater, no internet open. That's because we have not set it up yet. So let's open up an internet browser. I'm going to open up Chrome. And on the address line, I'm going to type in the IP address of the Wi-Fi repeater, which happens to be 192.168.10.1. Hit the enter key, and that allows me to type in the default username and password of admin. And then once I do, I get a choice of language. I'm going to take the default of English, and then go ahead and click on the submit button, and that'll take me to the home page of the Wi-Fi Wireless-N repeater, and it gives me some information, and it's set up to go for, or set up to run as a AP access point, but I want a repeater, so that's why I clicked on the repeater, and I'm using the wizards to make this quick and fast. And then it scans the available networks, and it found mine, and I put a check mark there. And then down below, by default, it's using the same name as my router that I already have on my network. But I don't want both of them to be the same name, so I'm going to change it to Ocean 1 and type in a security key here, and then click on apply. And then it comes back and gives me the information that's it's set up with, and then I can close this, and I can go down and click on the Wi-Fi icon, and as you can see, I can see Ocean 1, but I can also see PP router, so that way I know which one's which. And as you can see, I am connected to my Wi-Fi repeater, which is secure, and it is called Ocean 1. Now I can open up an internet browser, and in D I am connected to the internet, and my home page is Google. Alright, that's it for the install, setup, and review of this Wi-Fi repeater slash extender. It seems to work just fine. It extends my network an extra 50 feet, and I can use my tablet or my phone out on my porch, which is about 75 to 80 feet away from my main router. So yeah, for 12 bucks, it's not a bad investment. And if it only lasts a couple of months, I'm not out a large amount of money. Okay, that's it for this video.